The announcement by the Messari chief, which comes after a Messari report on the dominant blockchain, has the XRP community buzzing. By the way, are we going to see XRP reach 50 cents after a Messari report on the dominant blockchain? Has the XRP community buzzing? By the way, are we going to see XRP reach 50 cents? Mark has been tracking the most recent increase in Sun Wallet users as a result of XRP's goal price of 50 cents. Finally, in response to the latest price surge, BitBoy has reacted. Is there a hidden motive behind it? The question remains. Continue reading to find out more. Check out this new video as soon as possible if this sounds like something that would be of interest to you. The XRP community was surprised and excited when Messari's chief executive officer backed Ripple and the XRP ledger. Messari is a crypto data and research platform. According to Ryan Selkis, the long-running legal dispute between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission over whether XRP is a security has made him more committed to Ripple than ever. Additionally, he thought that such a result would enable the XRP ledger to fairly compete as a digital payments network. Silky speculated in his tweet on the XRPL that there is a demand. It's worth noting that the Messari CEO's most recent tangential remarks follow a Messari report on the XRP ledger, which sparked a lot of interest in the cryptocurrency world. In addition to showcasing the network's capabilities, the study noted that it had handled up to 2.9 billion transactions, with an average of 1.2 million per day in fourth quarter 2022, down from 1.5 million in fourth quarter 2021. It also showed that every 3 to 5 seconds, XRPL accounts are creating close to 5 million new blocks or ledgers. According to Messari, XRPL also incorporates its issued currencies, creating capabilities for numerous assets. While some have criticized the fact that Messari's coverage of the Ripple Commission is acknowledged in the disclaimer, it is important to note that this appears to be usual procedure for Messari. Incidentally, the businesses behind them have also ordered additional blockchain reports. Nonetheless, it is also important to note that the company asserts that the commissioning company has no control over the content. Silkis claims that he has previously criticized Ripple harshly, questioning its value proposition, criticizing its openness, and claiming possible fraud. Also, as far back as 2021, he had claimed that Ripple had not broken any security laws. Naturally, the XRP community has responded enthusiastically to Messari's most recent coverage of XRP. Some members of the community were in agreement with Ripple Chief Technical Officer David Schwartz's response to the post, which included a GIF that displayed happy surprise. As the judge's ruling in the SEC case draws near, the price of XRP has mysteriously increased by double-digit percentages, possibly signaling market confidence. It has increased by more than 21% in the past 7 days. Later on in the video, we'll examine critically what caused the price increase of XRP. Please remember to tick the notification button and subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to learn about new developments involving XRP. Recently, Ripple transferred 120 million XRP tokens worth $57.6 million during a sharp price increase that saw the asset increase by over 21% over the previous 7 days. This lone rise is the result of investors' growing confidence in the SEC litigation. According to Whale Alert, investigation into the Ripple activity on Tuesday, 2031 UTC, revealed that the funds were routed to an unidentified location and that Ripple had activated the recipient address to indicate a connection to the Silicon Valley company. Just 7 minutes following the receipt of the 120 million XRP, the receiver address transferred 54,500,000 XRP to an unidentified wallet linked to Ripple. The funds were then transferred to additional locations before being delivered in bits to exchanges such as Bitstamp and Bitfinex. As a result, several observers have hypothesized that the monies may have been used to settle the pending SEC lawsuit. However, given the nature of the movement, there is no evidence to support this study's conclusion that the funds were used to support on-demand liquidity or exchange liquidity needs. Given that Bitsa is one of ELL's key exchange partners, recall that 4 years ago, Ripple led an investment round in Bits to strengthen this cooperation with the debut of OD. The most recent batch of transactions involving millions of XRP were made by Ripple and involved a recent fund shift. On February 21st and January 17th, the San Francisco-based software startup shifted 100 million XRP tokens in separate transactions. Yet, these trades took place while XRP's price was below the 40-cent level. The most recent transaction occurred in the midst of a significant rally that began 2 days ago. The assets attempted to reclaim the 50-cent pricing point but were met with stiff competition at 49 cents. Of the top 100 crypto assets, XRP has seen the biggest increase recently. As the crypto basics demonstrated yesterday, this latest rally has become increasingly obvious. The upward trend was driven by increased hope that the SEC case would soon receive a favorable ruling and a spike in demand for whale addresses. Additionally, several wallets have experienced a significant increase in usage as the number of daily active users recently soared to 34,480 for the first time since January. These wallets include a well-known self-custody wallet created for the XRP ledger called XRPL. The increase in active users coincides with XRP's most recent climb, during which asset is attempting to retake the 50-cent mark. Since the developer and founder of XRPL Labs recently provided a graphic sensor of the shift in daily active users, we'd say Wind recently brought attention to the positive progress. The figure shows a 21% increase in the number of daily active users from 12 to 1,800 yesterday, during which time these people jumped from just more than 28,500 to 34,480. As XRP was attempting to recover from a high of 43 cents in late January, some last observed up to 34,480 unique daily active users. Despite the sudden increase in users, this number is still significantly lower than the 66,956 peak recorded in April of the previous year. An encouraging thing happened 9 days after XRPL Labs published the first significant update to a wallet in 7 months. As was previously mentioned, the update brought about significant advancements in NFT functionality, security, and cross-currency exchanges. It's no coincidence that the increase in some wallets' active users coincides with a massive spike in XRP's price action, as Wind revealed in a second tweet. An increase in XRP's price has always been accompanied by a rise in the number of unique daily active users of some wallets. The recurring pattern shows that as more investors seek to harness the assets of a trend that is driving up demand, they are getting increasingly interested in XRP. These investors use One Wallet, which is the most well-known self-custodial wallet for XRP and has an increasing number of active users. While everything is going on, XRP, which was left out of the recent market-wide rise, is attempting to retake the 4-month high of 50 cents and its own individual surge. The day's big question is now at hand. Is there a secret motive behind the quick price increase of XRP after Bitcoin's abrupt response? XRP has increased by as much as 21% during the past week. Ben Armstrong, often known as BitBoy, a well-known crypto YouTuber, has responded to the recent spectacular price performance of XRP. The crypto influencer suggested in a tweet today that the recent price movement of cryptocurrencies is probably being driven by insiders who are aware of some positive news that isn't yet available to the general public. Do you believe that XRP is just pumping up that quickly? Insiders are always and forever in the news, BitBoy wrote. What's the news? Is the sole query. Recall that the asset price began an unexpected climb yesterday, as indicated by the crypto basics, which showed gains of up to 21%. It sparked rumors of a likely verdict in the protracted legal dispute between Ripple, the blockchain's developers, and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Bill Morgan, an XRP supporter, pointed to the reliable Genic Development Foundation's Plan X score airdrop for XRP holders as the likely cause of the pump. Within the same time frame, the price of a solid Ginkgo Solo token also increased, specifically to commemorate the launch of its business blockchain Corium. The project that was initially established on the XRP ledger announced that it would be giving XRP and Solo holders X Corp tokens. It was announced today for the snapshot, which will be released on May 15. So, it is likely that holders are seeking to acquire as many tokens as they can in order to qualify for and receive as many of the promised airdrop tokens as possible, which is the cause of the purchasing pressure on both crypto assets. Furthermore, it appears that the most recent rally was also underpinned by a chart pattern discovered earlier this month by an anonymous cryptocurrency trader at MichaelXBT. His name was Crypto Michael. The asset's price had formed a notable narrowing descending channel against the price of BTC on the daily chart, prompting the trader to enter and depict an upward breakthrough in a tweet today. Crypto before maintaining its upward pace, Michael taps the asset price to retest 43 cents. We are now at the conclusion of this video. Please make sure to like the video, guys, if you liked it. Don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Sharing this video with as many people as you can will also help enlighten others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Let's spread the word about this, guys. Don't miss any of our stuff if you are a serious Bitcoin enthusiast. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects our entire community.